Subscribe and click the bell icon for all the television updates.
कुल्फी कुमार बाजेवाला एक्टर मोहित मलिक वैसे तो रियल लाइफ में एक पिता का महत्व तो अच्छे से जानते हैं, लेकिन रियल लाइफ में भी अपने डैड की बहुत रिस्पेक्ट और प्यार करते हैं। तो जब मोहित मलिक को उनके पिता के बारे में कुछ शब्द बयां करने के लिए कहा, तो उन्होंने कुछ ये जवाब दिया। The one quality I have inherited from my father is simplicity. He is a very simple man with a down-to-earth approach to life, and this is something which I have acquired in me through all the situations I have encountered through various stages of my life. उन्होंने आगे कहा कि He always taught me how it is important that I just be myself and focus on being real. Till date he says that there is beauty in simplicity, and this is something I take with me through all my personal and professional relationships. फिर मोहित ने कहा कि उनके डैड ने हमेशा उनसे और उनके भाई से कहा है कि प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन और मोमेंट्स को एक्सेप्ट करो जिस तरह वो करते हैं. Another thing that he instilled in my brother and me is to accept the present moment and situations in that moment, the way they are, and how acceptance is the key to a happy and calm mind. He always tells us that if you can change that particular situation to work in your favor, go ahead and change it. But if not, accept it, move on and strive towards better things in life. These two learnings from him have really helped me improve myself as an actor and as a human being. और इतना ही नहीं, मोहित ने इंस्टाग्राम में सभी फादर्स को विश करते हुए ये नोट लिखा, To all the fathers out there, I am not a father yet. In the true sense, I am not. But I am blessed as today, Sikandar has given me a small piece of a father's heart. Sikandar has shown me what it is like to literally have your heart beating outside your body. Sikandar has given me the opportunity to play a role whose foundation is one of the most important relationships which make all of us who we are today. This Father's Day, I write to all the fathers out there to wish you a very happy Father's Day. I have been blessed in my life as my own dad as well as uncles and grandfather have shaped me to be who I am today. And while a mother nurtures and gives birth to a child, a father's role is never usually acknowledged as much for some reason. Playing Sikandar, an emotional, all-at-heart father, has made me realize that a father's role is no less easier. It's definitely a huge responsibility, and one which comes with a set of challenges. You become someone's hero, someone's guiding light, someone's guide, that little someone's papa. I know as actors we all take on challenges. We keep changing characters, playing new roles, but I feel blessed that I have been able to play a character that has helped me become a better human being. And for that I have Sikandar to thank. So this one is for you, Sikandar. Here's wishing all of you a very happy Father's Day. Lots and lots of love. मोहित मलिक AKA सिकंदर. मोहित मलिक अपने शो कुल्फी कुमार बाजेवाला में अपने परफॉर्मेंस से सभी का दिल जीतते आ रहे हैं. इतना ही नहीं, मोहित अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ प्राइवेट रखना पसंद करते हैं, मगर फादर्स डे में फाइनली उन्होंने अपने डैड के बारे में ये बातें रिवील की. आप सभी को कैसा लगा मोहित मलिक से उनके डैड के बारे में जानकर? हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना ना भूले और टेली वर्ल्ड की खबरों के लिए बने रहिए टेली मसाला के साथ.